Hello friends, how are you? This is Unique English. How's everything going with you? Today, I'm going to teach about phrasal verbs with come. ስለ come ነው. Come. No ወደ እኔ ስለ come ነው ማስተምረው ዛሬ. All right? So, the first phrasal verbs that can go with the word come is come about. Come? About. እስቲ አንብበው እስቲ እንዳልክ come about በሲ come ምንድን ነው? መምጣት about ስለ መምጣት ብሎ መተርጎም የለም አሁን እዚህ ላይ እንግሊዝኛ ማለት ነው። to come about means to happen ማለት ነው። happen ማድረግ እስቲ happen በለሲ happen መከሰት or occur or what occur መከሰት ማለት ነው። መቼ ነው የተከሰተው በለኝ እስቲ when did it come about በለሲ
when did it come about
መቼ ነው ደግሞ ይሄ ነገር የተከሰተው ስትል ምን ትላለህ? when did it come about when did it come about? All right, it came about last week, it came about last month, it came about last year. Yes or no? When did it come about? Say it again. When did it come about? Well, see?
When did it come about?
When did it come about? So what can you say? It came about last week. All right, እንዴት ተከሰተ በልስቲ ይሄ አሁን መቼ ነው እንዴት ተከሰተ በልስቲ how did በልስቲ how did
it come about?
How did it come How did it come about? እስቲ እንደገና how did it come about በልሲ how did it come about? Say it again.
How did it come about?
አሸናፊ በለው how did it come about?
How did it come about?
Yeah, how did it come about? እንዴት ሊከሰት ቻለ? how did it come about? እንዴት ነው ሊከሰት ምን ሊቻለው ስትል እንዴት ነው የተከሰተው ስትሉ how did it come about? Do you understand me? So what is the meaning of come about? ምን ማለት ነው come about? happen or occur መከሰት ማለት ነው አንድ ነገር. Okay, so what is the past tense of come? የከም past tense በዛው የያዛችሁት came ነች እስቲ ማነች? and what is the verb 3 forms? come ነው ራሱ ማን ነው? come ነው ማለት ነው ራሱ. Do you understand me? So what is the meaning of come about? ምን ማለት ነው? happen ማድረግ ማለት ነው. When did this problem come about? መቼ ነው የተከሰተው ችግር? It came about last week. It came about yesterday. It came about last year. It came about last month. Do you understand me? Yeah. Am I clear?
Yeah.
All right, very good. So come about means happen or occur. Happen or occur. That's very good. Okay, number 2 is come across. What is it? Come across. To come across means, what is the meaning of come across? You come across with, or I come across this እንላለን አይደል? ስለዚህ what do you mean by come across? To find something. To find what? Something accidentally. To find something what? Accidentally. አንድ ነገር በድንገት ማግኘት ነው። አንድ ነገር በምን ማግኘት? በድንገት ማግኘት ሳታስበው ማግኘት come across ነው የሚባለው. Say come across. While walking on the road, መንገድ ላይ የተጓዝኩ እያለ I came across a very beautiful flower. Yes or no? በድንገት እናገኘው? Beautiful flower. Or while walking on the road, I came across 100 birr. ስንት ብር አገኘው?
100.
በድንገት አገኘው 100 birr. Do you understand me? በድንገት አገኘው. While walking on the road, I came across $1. I came across $2. I came across $100. Right? So that like come across means to find something accidentally. አንድ ነገር በድንገት ማግኘት ማለት ነው. Say come across በሉ ሁላችሁም. Come across. Hey! Come across. Say come across. Very good. To come across is to find something accidentally. Therefore, you can say that I came across. Or while በሉሲ while I was walking. What was? I was walking እያደረኩ በነበረበት ሰዓት I came across like $200. 200 what? Dollar. አበዛውባችሁ አይደል? $200. Therefore, while I was walking, I came across $200. walk እያደረኩ በነበረበት ሰዓት በድንገት ምን አገኘው? $200 አገኘው። ስለዚህ come across ማለት በድንገት አንድ ነገር ማግኘት ማለት ነው. Do you understand me? Say come across በላሸናፊ come across. አንተ በል come across. What do you mean by come across?
Find something.
Yeah, to find something like plan ያረከው ነገር ወይስ በድንገት ማግኘት? Accidentally. All right, was just accidentally. All right, that's very good. Okay, number 3. Have you ever, first of all, come across some money on the street? So many times, right?
So many.
Even I remember, right? What about Ashinaf? Have you ever come across
Yeah.
some money?
Yeah.
What is the
Amount?
the amount like?
No, it's not too. It's not much.
Yeah, how much?
Like
100?
It's been a long time, man. I can't remember.
Yeah, what about you? What is, I mean, the biggest money?
A lot of.
A lot of money?
No.
A lot of
A
times.
lot of times.
But small money, right?
Yeah, small.
Like 10 birr, 5 birr, 100 birr, like that.
50 birr.
50 birr, like that, yeah? So I come across, right? I came across, some money. Yes or no? I came across some money. That's very good. And then let's see, like, come after. But you see, come after.
Come after.
Huh?
Come after.
Say it again. Read it. Come after, Balashinaf. Hey, come after. Say, come after.
Come after.
So, come into know.
መንጣት
አፍተር በኋላ መምጣት በሌላ አባባል መከተል ማለት ነው። ምን ማለት ነው? ፎሎ ምን ማለት ነው? ፎሎ ማድረግ ማለት ነው። ከም አፍተር ሁለት አይነት አለ። አንደኛው ለምሳሌ አሁን ምን ትላለህ ማለት ነው? the policeman ትላለህ አይደል? the policeman is coming after the thieves ትላለህ አይደል? ማን እየተከተላቸው ነው? ሌቦች እየተከተላቸው። the policeman is coming after the thieves ትላለህ። all right እስቲ በሉኝ እስቲ the policeman is coming after. Is what? Coming? After who? After the thieves. After what?
Thieves.
The thieves. ሌቦችን እየተከተላቸው ነው። ፖሊሱ ሌቦችን እየተከተላቸው ነው። come after ማለት መከተል ማለት ነው። follow, pursue ምናምን. But like this come after can be used again in other different ways. I'll try to come with other videos because it's got a different meaning. But to come after means to follow or to pursue, right? To follow what? To pursue. So come after. Say come after.
Come after.
Okay, come after me, Bersi.
Come after me.
ተከተለኝ Bersi. Hey, come after me. Say. Come after me. ተከተለኝ በለኝ እስቲ።
Come after me.
Come after me, right? Hey, come after me. ተከተለኝ ማለት ነው. So to come after means to follow or to pursue somebody. Do you understand me? Is it clear enough? Is there any confusion, please?
No.
Any confusion?
No
Any confusion?
No confusion.
Yeah, so you understand what it means, right?
Yes.
All right, that's very good. And number 4 is come along. Well, see, come along.
Come along.
The meaning of come along is to accompany. To what? Accompany. It's the accompany. Well, see? To accompany ምንድን ነው? To accompany ምንድን ነው? መሸኘት ነው። ምን ማለት ነው? መሸኘት አንድ ሰው አጅቦ መሄድ መሸኘት ማለት ነው። So I want you to accompany me. I want you to come along with me. Come along with me. Well, see, come along with me.
Come along with me.
እኔ ሸኘኝ ስትለኝ ከኔ ጋር እኔ ሸኘኝ ስትለኝ ምንድን ነው የምትለኝ? Come along with me. Well, see, come along with me.
Come along with me.
Say it again.
Come along with me.
እስቲ በለው እስቲ
Come along with me.
Can you come along with me? Can you accompany me? Can you come along with me, please? I'm planning to go to Magananya. Can you come along with me?
Yeah.
Say, I can come along with you. But see, I can come along with you.
I can come along with you.
እሸኝሃለሁ እያልከኝ I can come along with you. I can መሸኘት እችላለሁ. I can come along. But see, I can come along with you. I can come along with you. ከአንተ ጋር መምጣት እችላለሁ. ከአንተ ጋር አብሬ መምጣት እችላለሁ. አንተን እሸኝሃለሁ ስትሉ I can come along with you. Say it again.
I can come along with you.
I mean, do you like to come along with somebody? Right? Yeah, yes sir. That's the best, right? So please come along with me. But see, please come along with me.
Please come along.
በእናትህ ሸኘኝ እስቲ እንደው እኔ ጋር እስቲ አብረህን እስቲ ምናምን ስትሉ please come along with me ትላለች። Say it again.
Please come along with
Yeah, please come along with me. Please come along with me. Am I clear?
Yes.
Am I clear?
Yeah.
Very good. All right. So, okay. So, number 5. Come apart. እስቲ በሉ እስቲ come apart በል እስቲ come apart.
Come apart.
apart ምንድን ነው? የተለያየ ነገር አይደል? So come apart ስትል ምን ማለት break ማለት ነው። ማለት ነው break መሰባበር ሊሆን ነው። For example, the glasses came apart on my hand. እጄ ላይ ተሰባበረ በል እስቲ ተለያየ ተሰባበረ በል እስቲ
The glass came apart on my hand.
The glass came apart. Came what? Apart where? On my hand. On my hand. On my hand. On my hands. እጆቼ ላይ ምኑ ተሰባበረ ነው ያላችሁ? አሁን ምኑ ተሰባበረ? እጄ ላይ ግላሱ ተሰባበረ፣ ብርጭቆ ተሰባበረ። The glasses came apart on my hand. Say it again.
The glasses come apart on my hand.
So to came apart means to break. መሰባበር ማለት ነው. What does it mean? What is the meaning of came apart?
Break.
to break. What does it mean?
break.
To break. አሸናፊ. So like, did it happen to you? Yeah? So many times, right? So ስለዚህ የሆነ ነገር ተሰበረ ስትሉ come apart. ተለያየ ተሰበረ ስትሉ ነው የምትሉት come apart ነው የምትሉት. Say it again.
Come apart.
Say.
Come apart.
Come apart. All right. And then the other one is come around. Say come around.
Come around.
To come around. Okay. One day you may come around. But you see, one day you may come around.
One day you come around.
በአካባቢው ትመጣለህ እያላችሁኝ አይደለም አሁን come around around አካባቢው come around no so when you say that like come around means to change your mind ማለት ሐሳብን መቀየር ማለት ነው. What does it mean? To change one's mind. To change what? One's mind. ሐሳብን መቀየር ማለት ነው. Come around በርሲ come around. አሁን የሆነ ሰው እያወራችሁ come around ይላችኋል። አሁን ግግም ብትሉበት የሆነ ስትቦርን ገገማ ነገር ሆነ hey come around ይላችኋል። ሐሳብ change your mind እያለ ነው. Change your thoughts, change your ideas, change your opinions. So ምን ያለ ማለት ነው? Come around but you see come around. What you are talking or what you're thinking is all right. I want you to come around. So one day you may come around and talk to me. One day you may come around means የሆነ ቀን ሐሳብህን ትቀይራለህ ስል ምን እንደሆነ one day በርሲ you may come around. Say it again. One day one day you may
Come around.
you may come around. One day you may come around. Say it again. One day you may come around. Say
You may come around.
One day you may come around.
Yeah, one day you may come around. የሆነ ቀን ሐሳብን so to come around means to change one's mind or to change your ideas, your opinions, right? So ያንን አንድ ሰው ሐሳቡን መቀየር ማለት ነው. ስለዚህ you may come around one day. የሆነ ቀን ሐሳብን ትቀይራለህ ስትሉት አንድ ሰው you may come around one day ትላላችሁ. This is so beautiful. And the other thing is there any question here, አሸናፊ? Is everything all right? እንዳልክ?
For me, all right.
Yeah, what about አሸናፊ? Is everything all right?
Yes,
Hey.
all right.
Yeah, come back. በርሲ come back.
Come back.
ምን ማለት ነው come back? ተመልሶ መምጣት ማለት ነው. ተመልሶ መምጣት ማለት to return ማለት ነው. ማለት ነው to return ማለት. I want you to come back. በርሲ
I want you.
እስቲ ቤት እንድትመጣ ፈልጋለሁ. ተመልሰህ እንድትመጣ በርሲ. I want you በርሲ.
You come.
I want you
Come back.
to come back home. To come back what?
Home.
እስቲ ሲያምቡ እስቲ.
I want you to come back home.
I want you to come back home. በርሲ I want you to come back home.
I want you to come back.
ተመልሰህ እንድትመጣ ፈልጋለሁ. I want you to come back. በርሲ I want you to come back.
I want you to come back.
አሁን girlfriend ጋር ደግሞ ትጣላት እሷ ደውል honey I love you I want you to come back. All right? Do you understand me? To return ማለት ተመልሶ መምጣት ማለት ነው. come back ማለት ነው. All right? go back ስትል ተመልሶ መሄድ ነው አይደል? come back ደግሞ ተመልሶ መምጣት ማለት ነው. ተመልሶ መምጣት ማለት ነው. come back. Say come back.
Come back.
I want you. What kind of thing you wish to come back? ምን ተመልሶ እንዲመጣ ትፈልጋለህ? ከድሮ ማለት ነው. I want this to come back. አሸናፊ what is that something you want to come back, right? You want it to come back. I want this thing to come back. ተመልሶ የሚመጣ የምትፈልገዋለህ ከድሮ or you don't want anything to come back?
No, I want something.
You want something to come back but this is a foolish idea. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Because you can't bring it back. Yeah, right? Do you understand me? Yes.
I want to come back my child life.
አይቻልም ቀርጥፈሻል አጨርሰሻል. Right? So right, that's very good. So to come back means what does to come back mean? What does it mean?
Return.
To return. What does it mean?
To return.
To return. All right, that's very good. And number 8 is come between. See come between በሉ እስኪ.
Come between.
come between በአንድ ሰው ጣልቃ መግባት ነው። ይሄ ኔጌቲቭሊ ሰውን አፌክት ማድረግ ነው come between ማለት ነው። right? በመሃል የሆነ ጣል don't come between us በሉ እስኪ.
Don't come between us.
ምን ማለት ነው? don't come between us means በእኛ መካከል አትምጣ ጣልቃ አትግባ ስትሉ ምን ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው? don't come በሉ እስኪ. don't come between
us.
don't come between us. Say don't come between us.
Don't come between us.
ለምሳሌ ፋሚሊ ሜምበር ላይ አንዳንድ ሰው በቤተሰብ ዙሪያ ጥልቅ የሚል አለ። እህት እንዲህ ብላ ይላል ወንድም. So what can you say that time?
Don't come.
Don't come between us. Say it again. Don't come between us.
Don't come between us.
It's not a good thing. Between ማለት በመካከል ነው አይደል? በመካከላችን አትምጣ በእኛ ጣልቃ አትግባ ስትሉ don't come between us ትላላችሁ. Say it again. Don't come between us. በል እስኪ.
Don't come between us.
Yeah, don't come between us. I don't want you to come between us, man. It's not a good thing. So don't come between us. So don't come between us means don't interfere. What does it mean? Don't interfere between us. Interfere means ጣልቃ መግባት. Don't interfere. Right? Do you understand me?
Yeah.
Very good. Don't interfere. Say don't interfere. Don't interfere. Don't come between us. በመካከላችን አትግባ. በመካከላችን አትምጣ ስትሉ እንደዚህ ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው. All right. And the last one is come down. Say come down. What is it? Come down with. Come down with. ይሄ ደግሞ ማለት ነው to be affected by the disease, especially with the the symptoms. የሆነ የበሽታ ምልክቶችን ስታሳዩ የሆነ በበሽታ ስትያዙ ምን ነው ትሉት? come down with ነው የምትሉት። ስለዚህ ምን ትላለህ? I'm coming በልሲ I'm coming. Say I'm coming. I'm coming down. በምን እየተያዝክ ነው? በምን በሽታ? With a cold. Say I'm coming down with a cold በልሲ Say I'm coming down with a cold.
I'm coming down with the cold.
የምን ምልክት እየታየብኝ ነው? የጉንፋን ምልክት እየታየብኝ ነው። ጉንፋን እያመመኝ ነው። የጉንፋን ምልክት እየታየብኝ ነው ስትሉ I'm coming down with a cold ትላለህ። Say it again. I'm coming down with a cold. በልሲ
coming down with a cold.
Yeah, I'm coming down with a cold. I'm coming down. እስቲ አሁን አንድ ሰው ለምሳሌ አሁን የሆነ ምልክት እየታየብህ ነው የዚህ በሽታ ሊይዝ ነው ስትሉ ምን ትላለህ? You are coming down. ምን ትላለህ? You are coming down COVID. You are coming down with COVID. በልሲ
You're coming down with a COVID.
You are coming down with COVID. ብትሉ የኮቪድ ምልክት እየታየብህ ነው ማለት ነው። ኮቪድ ይዟል ማለት ነው። You are coming down with COVID. Say it again.
You're coming down with.
So what is the meaning of come down with? Means to be affected by the disease, especially with the symptoms. Do you understand me? Symptoms develop ሲያደርግ ሲያሳይ ምን ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው? You're coming down with COVID ትላለህ። የኮቪድ ምልክት እያሳየ ነው እያመመ ነው ስትሉ you're COVID, like you're coming down with like COVID or fever, flu ምናምን የተለያየ ነገር መስራት ትችላላችሁ. Malaria or something else. Hello guys, this is Unique English in Amharic with Mahari. Don't forget again to subscribe my YouTube channel, share, like ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ። የእናንተ ስራ ነው፣ ማስተማር የኔ ስራ ነው። Then again, one thing that I'm going to tell you is that please አሁን በቅርቡ ምን ጀምራለሁ ማለት ነው። like ሌላ ጊዜ ነገራችሁ ነው አንድ ነገር ይናገር አሁን በቅርቡ አሁን like መጽሐፎች እዚህ በፊት የነበሩ መጽሐፎች የሉ ስነግራችሁ የነበረ ገበያ ላይ እንደዚህ ስላችሁ የነበረ ሌላ መጽሐፎች አሉ። እነሱ አሁን ኦንላይን ላይ ይውላሉ ለሽያጭ ማለት ነው። ይመጣሉ እነሱ በጣም ዝቅ ባለ ፕራይስ ማለት ነው። ሁሉም ሰው ገብቶ እንዲያነባቸው እናደርጋለን። አሁን እየጨረስን ነው አጠቃላይ ሂደቱ። Bye bye, love you, live you guys.